Shenzhen Xue Technology Company Limited, established in 2005, is a Chinese national high-tech enterprise. We manufacture scan translator, tablet PC, laptop, and some electronic products. Our vision is to be the intelligent terminal designer, worldwide first-class, fast customization services provider. OEM ODM is kindly accepted. All will be done according to your detail requirements. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We have our own R&D groups with over 100 patents. All are guaranteed from design to mold making, from hardware to software, from production to after-sales services. Each year, we have new products and applications to the markets. There must be one you need. In 2022, we established our own SMT with more automatic intelligent equipment and bigger factory. Full production capacity is fulfilled for all clients. Satisfying customers with high-quality products and services is our goal. Technical testing equipments are used and a strict quality control system is ran through the whole process, from design, developing, production to delivery. Our factory is ISO9001 and ISO14001 certificated, and products are with CCC, CE, FCC. All customers appreciate us. We will be your specific manufacturer. Warmly welcome to us for bigger business.